In order to be able to see the NetSuite Support Center that I just set up a second ago and the authorized contacts that is on that center, you need to give that person this role, NetSuite Support Center, right? So the way you add that role or any other role for that matter is you go to the employee record, right? Then you go to the Access tab, and then under roles here, you type in NetSuite, and it's going to show you the support center, right? So now I'm going to add that, and I'm going to save. Once you have that access to that NetSuite support center, you can now go support, and you will now see this portlet.